Alright, so we've been clearing out my grandparents' place, and we were in the shed and we came across some old weeding tools, and from what I've seen, this is called a grass whip, and then this is a weed cutter. This is a handmade sickle. You can see where he welded it, and then it's on a golf club handle. And then you got the old famous scythe that the Grim Reaper always likes to use. But what I want to do, I want to clean these up, and then we're going to try them out because I just like the old stuff. All right, so we got the scythe cleaned up. So we're going to go and try all these tools over here by the house. All right, so I'm going to use this weed cutter first. You can see the edges on it there. And they say you don't even really need to sharpen these because whenever you use them, they sharpen themselves. So I'm going to go try this out over here. Of course, I got sticks in here I gotta watch out for. I think this is the tool where they got the term weed whacking. I mean, it's going through some thick stuff, and it's actually kind of satisfying, to be honest with you. You know what I like about it? I'm not getting anything on my face like I normally do with a weed eater. Arms aren't covered with weed. Yeah, there's some sticks in there. Alright, so next up we have the grass whip. And this one seems like something that's going to help my golf swing. Maybe be able to drive a little bit further. But it's the same deal. Got the serrated edges there. And it's supposed to sharpen itself as you use it, so let's go ahead and try it. It needed used. I don't think it's too sharp. There it goes. Get a little groove down. I don't want to hit the tree. Maybe I can get the girls into doing this stuff. Because Daddy, that's one thing I do not like doing is weed eating. Just because I don't like the mess that gets all over me. Plus I get poison ivy very easily. Pretty quick. Alright, I know you watched me do the scythe already, but I'm going to try to do this spot. This is where I was trying to grow the giant pumpkin, but it died. So we're just going to see if we can get into a groove here. Get this cut. I still think I need to sharpen this more. And I don't know about my form, but this is what's easiest on my back at the moment. I do have back issues. Yeah, I think it does need sharpening more. And then you got the old sickle, which this is different. Most of them have a shorter handle. My papa must have made this for for what we're going to do here with corn stalks. But we're going to use these as decoration on the front porch, so I'm going to save them. Because it is September 1st, and as far as I'm concerned, it's fall. Favorite time of year. The old timers, they sure worked hard back in the day, and I just have so much respect for them. I just love these old antique tools, and I love going through old barns and sheds, and that's why I wanted to bring these home. But leave it in the comments if you have used or are still using any of these. I'd love to hear your stories. But I'm going to go ahead, finish cutting these corn stalks down, and we're going to put them on the front porch. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it brought back some old memories for you. And until next time, thanks for watching.